More than ever, the landscape in MRO inventory management is changing and with an increasing pace. Whether you have new products, new clients, or new suppliers, stock can build up in your warehouse, leaving less space and holding up capital. So one of the most important things to do is to get a high-level interactive visualization of your stock holding. Let's take a look now at smart inventory management. As you can see from the top level figures here, we can get a high-level view of the number of stock items we have, the quantity of these stock items we hold in the warehouse, the value associated with this inventory, and when our transaction usages have been from and until. In this case, May 2012 until October 2017. At the outset, it's important to get an understanding about which of those items are moving the most often and have moved the most recently. We also need to see which of these items are being held onto but are not moving. For example here, looking at the transactions over the last 24 months, we can highlight stock items that have no transactions during that period. In this instance, there are 358 stock items which have not been issued in the last 24 months. This is about 97,000 worth of inventory for these items. Below this, you can get an idea of which of the suppliers provide these items and what balance and average item cost are associated with the different types of stock. In this way, for example, we can highlight what types of stock items are contributing the most to our inventory value that is, again, not being issued over the last 24 months. A precise list of these items individually is presented at the bottom of the page.